How to delete Facebook block list permanently without unblocking. For that, open Facebook application. Make sure to sign in on your Facebook account. Tap on three-line menu icon at top right corner of the screen. Now scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Select the settings here, and once you're on the Settings and Privacy page, scroll down and tap on Blocking. You need to screenshot this blocked peoples. Let's come back from here and again back, and here tap on Help and Support. You need to tap on Report a Problem and report a problem. Tap on Continue to report a problem. Wait until Facebook is creating a report, and now tap on Include Complete Logs and Diagnostic, so you can describe the issue here and upload that is mean from you here that you previously screenshot. Tap on the arrow like option at the upper right corner of the screen and easily send the report and fix your problem. So that's how basically we delete the Facebook block list permanently without unblocking. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.